To keep touch sound active when do not disturb mode is on in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, open settings, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, okay. Tap notifications, and then select do not disturb, and then tap alarms and sounds. Next on touch sounds, tap switch until blue to keep touch sound active when do not disturb mode is on, or to block touch sound, tap switch until gray. When do not disturb is on, sounds and vibration will be mute except for the item to allow above. Okay, touch switch until blue to allow, or touch switch until gray to deny or block touch sound when do not disturb mode is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.